The citations.
Public opinion. Walter Lippmann. There is an island in the ocean where in 1914 a few Englishmen, Frenchmen and Germans lived. No cable reaches that island, and the British mail steamer comes but once in 60 days. In September it had not yet come, and the islanders were still talking about the latest newspaper which told about the approaching trial of Madame Caillaux for the shooting of Gaston Calmette. It was, therefore, with more than usual eagerness that the whole colony assembled at the quay on a day in mid-September to hear from the captain what the verdict had been. They learned that for over 6 weeks now those of them who were English and those of them who were French had been fighting in behalf of the sanctity of treaties against those of them who were Germans. For 6 strange weeks they had acted as if they were friends, when in fact they were enemies.